Hi, everyone. Neat colors, huh? Yeah, they're really cool. So, from the last kit tumble, I decided to go ahead and add the third kit from the third tumbler to the second kit. Yes, that's what I did. Now, you can see some of my milky quartz in there. Few pieces. Look at the jaspers. Wait, what's this one? Oh, I threw this one in there. Yeah, just because I could and I like it and I wanted to see what it's going to do. So, isn't that pretty amethyst? You can see right through it. It's gorgeous. Hang on. Here's a really pretty tiger's eye. We've got 3 pieces of tiger's eye from the kits in here. So there's one. Where's the sandwich? I found the sandwich just a little bit ago. There's the sandwich. See, that's the sandwich. That's what I call it anyway. It almost looks like a shell. That's really pretty. And there's a third tiger's eye in here somewhere. There it is. There it is, there it is, there it is. So, there's the third little tiger's eye. Now, I have a bunch of raw tiger's eye that I got from Huntress that I will be tumbling in a separate tumbler. However, I just thought I would show you that. Oh, look, this one's still got some stuff on it. I didn't fully rinse that off. Okay, well, hello. Let's rinse that off, shall we? Yeah, these little puppies don't get very clean. That's okay. That's all right. I will take the time to fully brush them, clean them, the whole 9 yards. And then both kits will be going into stage 2. So, Kit Tumble, stage 2. Thank you very much for continuing to support the Cactus channel and my tumbling and my rocks. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.